written for a lifetime. Highlighters in my DNA. Crime fighter till I see decay. The limelight is too green for the greedy. I'll never believe that you see me. Sow a seed with the TV. Sonic rain that I siphon from the Ouija. A titan is beneath me, yet I don't believe it when I hear myself writing or when rhyming on a CD. Diamond to the needy, voices unorthodox. Escape from one hell and get trapped in another box. Beaten bad as I hobble home. Sick in the head, dripping red on the cobblestone. The fusion of a man and a poltergeist. I fade away, rotten flesh that the vulture bites. In a way I've never cared what the culture likes. I'm a craftsman, I only care if the sculpture right. The amount of ink that I've used would flood the ocean. These artists are sterilized, afraid to touch emotion. I'm feeling something growing, a cancer in my legacy. And I don't have the answers, just enhancers for my enemies. Enhancers for my enemies.